And 6 weeks in the hot seat came to an end today for Inkster's chief judge. Now Sylvia James will have to wait and see if she'll get to keep the title, Your Honor.
Her decisions were not going to be questioned. She was going to administer that account in however way, or whatever way she saw fit.
In closing arguments today, Inkster's only judge was painted as a rogue city official who did what she wanted, spent what she needed, and answered to no one. Margaret Rainier is an attorney for the state's Judicial Tenure Commission.
Judge James wanted those funds because she did not want to listen that what she wanted to spend the money for was inappropriate.
In October, she was charged by the state's JTC with professional misconduct following reports by 7 Action News investigator Bill Proctor. The complaint accuses her of embezzlement, says she gave false statements to the Tenure Commission, violated the court's hiring practices by employing her niece to work at the court, and used restricted court funds to pay for things like landscaping and catering, and made donations with city funds to groups that in turn helped promote Judge James' name.
These were nothing more than rolling advertising, campaign advertising on behalf of Judge James.
James' attorney Sharon McPhail said the last 6 weeks of hearings were fueled by a political vendetta by other Inkster officials.
They started with she's guilty and they worked their way backwards. They rifled through her belongings and they came up with a number of things that found their way into this complaint. And after all of the witnesses and documents, they still have proved nothing.
And then McPhail blamed the 51-page complaint against her client on Channel 7.
There is no question that they acted on the basis of news reports. Once a well-respected news station, Channel 7, reported that dozens of times that over in Inkster millions of dollars were flying out of the courthouse window. The Supreme Court could not ignore the matter.
And they didn't. Now that the hearing's over, the special master who presided over the last 6 weeks of testimony will write up her conclusions and deliver them to the state Supreme Court. We should expect those in about 2 months. From there, it's up to the Supreme Court to decide what, if any, action should be taken against the judge. I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.